Good morning, students. This is Professor Kiran Poddar, Angadi Institute of Technology and Management. Now, today we'll discuss how to form a partial differential equation by eliminating arbitrary function from the given equation. In this example, we can understand z is equal to y square plus 2 times f of 1 by x plus log y is given. In this, we can see f is a function. But which kind of function, it is not mentioned. It may be logarithm function or algebraic function, trigonometric function, hyperbolic function, or any other function, which is not mentioned. When we go for its differentiation, only we can say f dash, which indicates differentiated the function. That's it. So that term has to be eliminated. This arbitrary function term has to be eliminated to construct partial differential equation. Okay, let us see what to do in this case. Very first, we'll take it as equation number 1. Then we differentiate this equation number 1 with respect to x. Before going through the example, again I take the notations. So we are going to take dou z by dou x is equal to p and dou z by dou y is equal to notation q. Therefore, when we differentiate this given equation with respect to x, then we will be getting dou z by dou x is equal to differentiation of y square with respect to x will be 0 plus 2 times differentiation of this function will be f dash of 1 divided by x plus log y plus into differentiation of this bracket with respect to x, then it becomes 1 by x. Differentiation of 1 by x is minus 1 by x square plus differentiation of log y with respect to x will be 0. Therefore, as per the notation, dou z by dou x will be taken as p. So it becomes p is equal to 2 times f dash of 1 divided by x plus logarithm of y into minus 1 by x square. To avoid the denominator, we'll send it to the other end. Then it becomes px square is equal to minus 2 times f dash of 1 divided by x plus log y. We call it as equation number 2. Similarly, let us differentiate equation number 1 with respect to y. Then we will be getting, differentiating this equation number 1 with respect to y, we will be getting dou z by dou y is equal to differentiation of y square will be 2y plus 2 times differentiation of this function will be taken as f dash of 1 divided by x plus log y into differentiation of this bracket with respect to y. So 1 by x differentiation will be 0. Then log y will be 1 by y. Okay. So this is the differentiation. Then we take it as q. This as per the notation. Q is equal to 2 times y plus 2 f dash of 1 divided by x plus log y into 1 divided by y. Now we do one thing. We'll take this 2y to the other end. When we switch over this to other end, it becomes q minus 2y. Q minus 2y. Then, which is equal to 2 into f dash of 1 divided by x plus log y into 1 divided by y. Again, to avoid this denominator, we'll take this y also to the other end. Then it becomes y times q minus 2y is equal to 2 into f dash of 1 divided by x plus log y. We call it as equation number 3. If you see equation number 2 and 3, either you substitute this value directly in this equation or else divide these two equations to eliminate the term. Both are accepted. Either directly you substitute 2 f dash of this is equal to here directly in equation number 2, or else divide. If you divide equation number 2 by 3, then we will be getting px square divided by y into q minus 2y, which will be equal to minus 2 into f dash of 1 divided by x plus log y divided by 2 into f dash of 1 divided by x plus log y. So this term get cancelled. Then further this will be equal to minus 1. Therefore send this denominator to the other end, then it becomes px square is equal to minus y into q minus 2y. Then if we take a group multiplication, it becomes minus y into q minus of minus plus 2 times y square. Therefore px square plus take this term to the other end, then it becomes q into y, which will be equal to 2 times y square. This becomes a required partial differential equations, or sometimes we can take the notations also. P is nothing but dou z by dou x into x square plus q is nothing but dou z by dou y into y is equal to 2 times y square. Even this is also called as a required partial differential equation. Thank you.